All right, everybody, we're going to be going over the installation of one of our new products for the ND Miata, and it is this universal cell phone holder. It's got a very nice spring-loaded mechanism here that can fit very large phones. This customer actually has an iPhone Max, and it fits it really, really well. This obviously isn't an iPhone, but it'll fit really, really big phones, so you don't need to worry about compatibility there. It comes on this universal foot, which fits on the dashboard itself right here. So it's got this nice adjustable flat spot that the phone holder attaches to let you get just the right angle on it, and now we're going to show you how to put it in. So installation is super simple. It makes use of this little metal hook here, which hooks into a small cavity behind the dashboard right here. So to get to there, all you need to do is reach underneath here, right by the center console, and give it a couple good tugs, and you can hear it just popped free of a couple clips, and now there's this small gap here. And if you look inside that small gap, you can see there is a hole through the dashboard itself, which is where this hook is going to go. So if we put it in there, you can feel there's the hole, then you simply rotate it up, and that is how the hook will ultimately sit. Okay, so now that we have our hook installed, we're going to put the mount in place. So you can see on the back side there's this small channel and hole that goes all the way through to the front, which then holds this captive screw. It also comes with a small screwdriver, so you don't need any additional tools to do this, which is super nice. So what we're going to do is line up the post. There we go, and it sits nice and flush with the dashboard. At this point we can push it back in place. There we go. It's now holding itself in place, and we can put our cap screw in place to snug everything down. Okay, so we've got this snugged down pretty well. You can see it is not going anywhere. It's on there nice and solid. We've got a good little amount of adjustability there. So all that's left to do is to take the holder, clip it in place, open it up, and you're all set.